What is BRICS? The BRICS alliance is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. It is reshaping the global economic and political landscape. Originally formed as an economic bloc for emerging markets, it has grown into a formidable force, challenging Western financial dominance, particularly that of the United States and the US dollar. With new member expansions, financial innovations like BRICS Pay, and increasing geopolitical influence, the bloc is accelerating its efforts to reduce reliance on the US dollar and create an alternative global economic system. As BRICS grows, it presents both challenges and opportunities for the global financial order, the US government, and individual investors. Formation and timeline of BRICS expansion. In 2001, economist Jim O'Neill coined the term BRIC, an acronym for the fast-growing economies of Brazil, Russia, India, and China. In 2006, the four countries held their first informal meeting at the United Nations. By 2009, the first formal BRICS summit was held in Yekaterinburg, Russia, marking the official foundation of the bloc. Then, in 2010, South Africa joined, expanding the group to BRICS. Fast forward to 2015, and the new development bank NDB was launched as an alternative to the IMF and World Bank. Between 2023 and 2024, BRICS expanded further by adding Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE as full members. By 2025, Malaysia and 12 other nations were invited as partner countries, strengthening BRICS' global influence. Today, BRICS accounts for over 40% of the world's population and more than 30% of global GDP, positioning itself as a major challenger to Western economic institutions. Key areas of influence. De-dollarization. BRICS is working towards reducing dependence on the US dollar by promoting trade in local currencies. Alternative financial systems. The group has developed the new development bank, NDB, and BRICS Pay, reducing reliance on IMF, SWIFT, and Western banks. Energy and resource control. With Russia, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and the UAE, BRICS nations control a significant portion of the global oil and gas market. BRICS provides an economic alternative for developing nations, strengthening economic independence from Western institutions. With these strategies, BRICS aims to reshape global finance, shifting power away from the US and its allies. The Russia-Ukraine war has significantly influenced BRICS by accelerating de-dollarization. Western sanctions on Russia blocked it from SWIFT, prompting BRICS to develop alternative payment systems. Boosting BRICS expansion, sanctions on Russia pushed countries like Iran, Saudi Arabia, and UAE closer to BRICS as they seek alternatives to Western financial dominance. Strengthening BRICS financial cooperation. BRICS nations increase trade in local currencies to bypass US restrictions. This geopolitical shift has made BRICS a safer economic haven for countries seeking alternatives to the West. New membership and partnerships have marked a significant milestone for BRICS. In 2024, BRICS welcomed Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE as full members. By 2025, the expansion continued with Malaysia, Indonesia, Nigeria, Turkey, Thailand, Algeria, and others joining as partner countries. These expansions enhance BRICS' global economic power, making it a dominant force in energy, finance, and trade. BRICS Pay is a decentralized payment system designed to replace SWIFT for transactions between BRICS nations. The system uses blockchain and digital wallets to facilitate cross-border payments without the US dollar. It works with existing national payment systems like India's UPI, China's WeChat Pay and Alipay, and Russia's Mir payment system. The BRICS card is still in its early stages, but has been tested at BRICS summits as a way to allow seamless transactions between member nations. It could offer an alternative to Visa and MasterCard in BRICS nations. These financial innovations increase economic independence from the US dollar, posing a major threat to US financial dominance. As BRICS nations trade in local currencies, demand for the dollar as the global reserve currency declines. With Saudi Arabia, Iran, and UAE in BRICS, oil transactions could shift away from being priced in dollars, reducing US global economic leverage. More developing nations are choosing BRICS over US-led trade agreements, reducing US influence. Trump threatened to impose a 100% tariff on BRICS countries if BRICS tried to replace the US dollar with another currency. This could push more countries towards BRICS, accelerating de-dollarization. BRICS nations may increase trade among themselves, reducing their reliance on US markets. With BRICS reshaping the global financial system, American investors should consider diversifying to hedge against currency risks. Hold other foreign currencies like Swiss franc. Consider gold-backed stablecoins as a hedge. Invest in commodities like gold or gold ETFs. Emerging market ETFs like Vanguard FTSE. Emerging markets ETF and iShares MSCI. Emerging markets ETF are also good options. Companies with global reach can hedge against dollar instability. Think of Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's. Explore alternative assets like cryptocurrencies, real estate, and hard assets. The rise of BRICS is shifting global economic power, challenging US financial dominance. As BRICS continues to expand, the US dollar faces increasing pressure from alternative payment systems, currency agreements, and geopolitical alliances. To protect assets, both the US government and individual investors must adapt to these global shifts. Diversification, strategic investments, and awareness of BRICS financial innovations will be key to navigating the changing global economy.